We are giving this car to one of our subscribers if he can get to start in the next 2 hours. Down to the wire. Oh! 13 minutes, Andy!
Oh.
All right, so this is a game, and games have rules. Right now, Andy is looking at the car, but he's just looking because as soon as he touches it, that timer starts.
Andy's gonna have 2 hours to get the car running, and if he can do that, he gets to take that GSR home with him.
This Integra I really like. It's a two-door coupe, small, sporty, clean for being almost 30 years old. It's a beautiful car, solid paint job, and what else can I say?
Now, we have every part that Andy's gonna need to get this car to start, and if he asks us for them, we will give them to him. But if he asks us for a part that he doesn't need, I'm gonna go ahead and take at least 10 minutes off the clock. All right, Andy, you ready to get started?
Let's do it.
Start the clock!
All right, let's see if we got some crank up in here.
It's dead, boy. It's dead, dude.
Pop the hood.
You have your air, you have your fuel, and you have your sparks. Those three very simple things are the key components into getting the engine to run, right? So if any one of those three get messed up, then your engine's not gonna run.
First, we start with the battery. Check the battery terminals. Oh, we got no voltage going from the battery. We need at least 12 to 13 volts. We're gonna need a battery.
Andy asked for his first part. He needs a battery.
Thank you, senor. All right, let's test out the battery.
Maybe the car will start. Probably not, though. Oh, you thought it was gonna be that easy, Andy? You know us, man. Of course it's not that easy. There's tons of stuff wrong with this car. We broke the hell out of it.
Let's check the relays. So right now we're just checking out the fuses and the relays, making sure everything is there in proper spots.
Andy is a subscriber to Donut, but we do know him. You might recognize him from the first 2 seasons of High Low when we were building the Z's. He's a super talented mechanic and a dude who is really willing to jump under things and rip stuff out.
I think our battery relay is broken.
Yeah?
I think so.
That is one of the parts that we sabotaged on the car. Here you go, Andy.
Thank you. Let's go crank it right now. Let's get the baby to crank.
You got power.
Sounds like we're not getting fuel or spark. So right now we're checking out the fuel lines. We're seeing if we're getting fuel from the pump into the car. Car's cranking, doesn't want to start.
Oh, there's gas.
Get a big whiff of that. All right, James, can I have you go crank the car for me, please?
I will help you, but I am gonna take 15 minutes off the clock.
15?
Yeah.
Warning, help is gonna cost you.
How'd you do that?
All right, so we were getting fuel, so now let's try checking spark.
So the reason that the car is cranking intermittently is because we drained all the gas out of the gas tank, and when Andy popped that fuel line, I think it dumped like about half of what was left.
Initially, I had a little bit of fuel coming out, so we're gonna move it over to spark now and see if we have spark when we ground one of the spark plugs.
He's already checked off, all right, fuel's good. Fuel's not good.
Feels not good. I think the gas is like the dirtiest move we did on this whole car. It might be the reason that he doesn't make it.
I'm not too worried about time right now. I think we still got enough time. Once we get more into the electrical stuff side of it, we should worry a little bit more. So right now I'm just getting some wires so we could try to ground the spark plug. See if we're getting spark on these super gap spark plugs. Who's gonna crank the car for me?
I mean, I'm down to help a friend out, but it's gonna cost him 15 minutes.
I'm gonna take a yes on this one.
That made me feel powerful, dude.
I think I'm gonna need spark plugs.
Okay, Andy's asking for his third part, spark plugs.
I'm seeing no gap on these spark plugs. As you can see, they have been smashed together.
I wonder who did that.
I wonder who did. All right, so now we're putting in some brand new spark plugs, of which gapped precisely. This car's gonna be mine. I can taste the success of this already.
He's cool, he's calm, he's collected. I hate it. Introducing the first of the challenges. If you keep this car, are you gonna probably modify it?
Probably.
How long do you think it would take you to put an exhaust on this car?
Half hour.
Half hour? If I give you a brand new Apexi exhaust, but I'm not gonna give you any more time, do you wanna try and put it on?
I'll try it.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna get it on.
He's a gambler. He's a gambler. He's got a problem. We're taking advantage of it. Like the casino, the house always wins.
Time is coming down. Getting a little worried about this.
All right, Andy, so you've got an hour 7 left. You got this beautiful Apexi exhaust. Car's still not started yet, bro.
We'll get it done. We'll get it done.
You're not used to working under the car, huh?
Andy here is used to working
In a shop.
with lifts.
Yeah, oh yeah. Changing an exhaust with lifts is pretty easy, and I think that he could do it in 30 minutes, no problem.
Oh yeah, easy.
But once you get on your back and you're doing what I call the buff surgeon, where it's like you have to be like super precise, but you're also bench pressing the entire time, then it gets pretty real.
The lack of a lift may be the deciding factor here.
Bro, my gonna be.
I'll help you up for 15 minutes. I know Andy is a big impact guy. I don't think he's used an actual wrench in years. So I'm gonna go ahead and take away his power tools.
Bro, these things aren't coming up.
No? No. I just want to remind everybody that the car has not started yet, and Andy is fiddling around under it, installing aftermarket parts. That's the most car guy thing that I think I've ever experienced. We gotta take away his strength and turn him into Iron Man from Iron Man 3, where he doesn't even have his suit for most of the movie. Oh, what a strong boy!
That was loud.
That's an extension.
So it'll look better in the driveway. Yeah, that's 5 minutes off, dude. I'm sorry, bro. Ooh, we're under an hour. 54 minutes left, Andy. That's called buff surgeon.
That's almost off. He's got one more hanger left, I believe, and this stock exhaust is coming out.
If you think this looks fun and you want to win a car, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we actually do pick these people from our subscribers.
Subscribe now, and you too could win a chance to lie flat on your back under some Craigslist rust bucket while James screams your own name at you for 2 straight hours.
Come on, Andy. Come on, man. Come on, Andy. Come on, man.
50 minutes. 5-0, Andy.
How much time for a power tool?
I'll give you power tools for 10 minutes. Yeah. I knew you didn't need power tools, bud.
Yeah, that would have been a real waste.
There you go, buddy. SEOO, stock exhaust, officially off. Pop it out, baby. You think it's gonna be easier going on than it was off?
I think so.
Yeah, I love how dirty he is now.
He came in so confident with those nice ass slacks on, like they were gonna get a little.
Do those wash easily, Andy?
I don't know, bro. I think I'm. These were my good ones.
Okay, Andy, if you finish and start the car with 5 minutes left, we will buy you 2 new pairs of pants. So you're better
Done
than you
deal.
came. Andy, your car looks tight, dude.
It's not mine yet.
No, it's not, because you still haven't started it.
All right, that's as good as it's gonna get.
So Andy, you did the exhaust, you got about 20 minutes left. There's 2 more things wrong with this car that are keeping it from starting.
All right.
One is at the front, and one might not be at the front.
I don't think Andy realizes the severity of our trickery yet.
Well, we know the exhaust wasn't gonna make it start, Andy.
So it wants to start. Only other thing I can think of is a distributor.
Dude, down to the wire, how do you feel?
Feeling good, man?
Yeah?
You're under the 20-minute mark. That's plenty of time to find 2 mysterious problems.
18 minutes, Andy. You notice anything weird about it?
It's pretty worn out.
Like maybe someone filed down the rotor? Like who would do that?
Someone doesn't want to see me win. I need a distributor.
So another part of the ignition system is the distributor and distributor cap. And so what I have here in my hand, this is actually the rotor. And when the engine rotates, this is in time with the crankshaft. So it'll spin inside here, and as it passes by these little pins right here, it'll send a spark to the individual cylinder and the individual spark plug. So what we've done is filed down the metal portion of this rotor so that it won't make contact with the probes inside the cap, so the car won't get any spark. Good luck, Andy.
Can't get these screws out. No, I can't
13
even get them
minutes, Andy!
Ah.
Andy!
13 minutes!
out. Good to go. Let's start her up. go for a ride.
What's that seem like, Andy?
Never check gas. I need gas.
All right. It's car food. Car food.
You got 10 minutes to fill that tank.
So we've been through spark plugs, main fuse, distributor, battery. Now he's fueling up. He's installed the new exhaust. Will it fire up?
You got 7 minutes, Andy.
If this ain't it, I'm going home a loser, guys.
It's moment of truth.
Let's see it. Okay.
Andy, great job. Thank you so much for playing. Your master mechanic jumped in there. You're amazing. I'm a man of my word. Here is the title to your Acura Integra GSR. You can drive this thing home today. You should probably get insurance. Guys, we had a lot of fun making this. We want to make a lot more of these. If you want your chance to win this car, we do pick contestants from our subscribers. So make sure you're already subscribed or hit that subscribe button down below. I love you.